In today's video, I want to guide you through a crucial and eye-opening topic: how to recognize if the man in your life is a manipulator. Pay close attention, because manipulation is often subtle, and it doesn't always arrive wearing a clear warning sign. Sometimes it appears as love, as care, as attention, as joy, or even as what seems like kindness, and it can take many forms that feel harmless at first. But beneath those seemingly gentle layers lies a pattern of behavior that is deeply toxic, one that can chip away at your self-esteem, undermine your confidence, and steal your inner peace. There is nothing more painful than realizing that the person you share your bed with, your home with, and your life with is actually undermining your well-being. I want you to focus on these 5 key signs because they can help you recognize whether your current relationship is truly supportive or if it's quietly harming you. We are not here to judge anyone. We are here to grow, to learn, and to reclaim our light and our personal power. This video is designed to open your eyes, and I sincerely hope it helps you see your situation more clearly. Number 1, a manipulative man often uses guilt as a way to control you. One of the most common indicators that a man is manipulative is that he uses guilt as a weapon to bend you to his will, to subtly, or not so subtly, exert control over your choices. You might hear statements like, "After everything I've done for you, is this how you repay me?" Or, "If you truly loved me, you would do this for me." These phrases aren't innocent. They are manipulation at its purest form. Guilt is a powerful tool in emotional control. When someone pressures you into feeling bad for making your own choices, they are crossing your boundaries and attempting to dominate your ability to think, decide, and simply exist as yourself. A man who genuinely loves you will never make you feel responsible for his happiness, nor will he demand that you sacrifice your own joy to satisfy him. You are never meant to carry the weight of someone else's emotional well-being. True happiness and genuine inner peace come from within each individual, not from relying on someone else to provide it. No one should have the burden of being the source of someone else's contentment. Manipulation through guilt can cause you to constantly question your choices and feel accountable for feelings that aren't yours. It can make you feel that if you resist or assert yourself, you are failing as a partner or as a human being. Over time, this erodes your confidence, leads you to go against your own desires, and reinforces emotional dependency on the manipulator. If you consistently find yourself explaining, defending, or apologizing for your decisions, or feeling as though you have to earn his approval, this is a clear sign that the relationship may be more about control than love. Number 2, the manipulative man twists reality and makes you question yourself. One of the most damaging techniques manipulators use is to alter your perception of reality. They make you doubt your own thoughts, feelings, and even memories. He may tell you that you are overreacting when you share concerns, or he may outright deny events that actually occurred. This tactic gradually erodes your sense of self and fosters emotional dependence, because you start seeking his approval to validate what you experience. This is not love. It is a form of emotional abuse that distances you from your own truth and traps you in a toxic dynamic. Statements like, "That never happened, you're imagining things," or "Stop playing the victim," are major red flags. Over time, this type of manipulation can leave you feeling confused, insecure, and reliant on his version of reality rather than your own. Always remember, your emotions are valid, your memories are real, and you do not need anyone else to confirm your truth. A man who genuinely loves you would never make you doubt your own mind. Number 3, he isolates you from your relationships to maintain control. Manipulative individuals often try to prevent you from having a support network. They don't want you to share what happens in your relationship with others, and they attempt to limit your access to friends or family who could give you advice or guidance. They know that if you have a circle of people who care about you, who support you, it becomes much harder to manipulate or control you. That is why they try to create distance between you and the people who could help you see the truth. It might seem subtle at first, and in some cases, it may not even be intentional, as these actions are often driven by insecurity, fear of losing you, or a compulsive desire to feel that they own you. Manipulators isolate their partners because control thrives in loneliness. When they limit your contact with friends, family, or any form of outside support, they remove the voices that could challenge their behavior. This isolation also increases your emotional dependence on them, as they become the primary or even the only person you interact with regularly. Losing these connections weakens your self-esteem and makes it easier for you to accept criticism or distortions of reality that he imposes. You might notice it happening slowly, with remarks like, "I don't like how that friend treats you," or "Your family doesn't understand our relationship." Eventually, you may find yourself spending less time with loved ones until it feels like he is the only person who matters in your life. That suffocating feeling of isolation is deeply damaging and should never be underestimated. True love doesn't separate, it connects. A man who truly cares about you encourages healthy connections with the people who uplift you. If someone tries to cut you off from those who support you, ask yourself why they want you alone. Number 4, a manipulative man downplays your accomplishments and makes you feel inadequate. Rarely will a manipulator celebrate your successes because he does not want you to feel empowered or confident in your own abilities. Instead of acknowledging your achievements, he may diminish them, ignore them, or even make passive-aggressive comments to make them seem less significant. You might hear things like, "It's not that impressive, anyone could have done it," or "Yes, but how long are you really going to keep this up?" These words are designed to erode your confidence. This type of behavior is deliberate. It aims to keep you emotionally dependent so that you never feel enough without his approval. But remember this, your successes are yours alone. You do not need validation from anyone else to feel proud of your accomplishments. Surround yourself with people who celebrate your victories and encourage your growth, not those who try to diminish your shine. Number 5, a manipulative person promises change but never follows through. When a manipulator senses you may be distancing yourself, he often makes empty promises to keep you close. He might say he will change, that everything will improve, or that things will be different. But in reality, nothing ever changes. These promises are simply another tool to keep you trapped in a cycle of hope and disappointment. Manipulators understand the psychological impact of offering an illusion of change. It activates your desire to believe in the relationship's potential, keeping you invested even when real transformation never occurs. These intermittent moments of hope create a psychological reinforcement, making you hold on longer and continue investing emotionally despite repeated disappointment. This strategy exploits your emotions, alternating relief with frustration, confusion, and dependence. These promises are not acts of love, repentance, or genuine care. They are calculated tactics to maintain control and prevent you from taking steps that could destabilize him, such as leaving or demanding real change. Recognizing this pattern is essential to breaking free from manipulation. A manipulative man knows exactly how to play with your emotions, giving you just enough hope to keep you engaged. But the truth is that real change is demonstrated through consistent actions, not words. Never settle for less than what you truly deserve. A man who genuinely wants to change will prove it through persistent, tangible actions, not empty promises. You deserve someone who is honest, committed, and actively works to build a healthy and nurturing relationship with you. If you notice these patterns in your relationship, trust your feelings and do not ignore them. Your intuition is a powerful guide, always alerting you when something is wrong. Remember, love should never hurt, manipulate, or control. True love frees you, builds you up, and makes you feel safe, cherished, and valued. If you find that your relationship leaves you feeling drained, or as though you lose more than you gain, it's time to pause, reflect, and make choices that honor your worth. You deserve a love that lifts you up, not one that breaks you down. You are enough, you are worthy, and you do not have to remain somewhere you are not respected or valued. Stay vigilant, because manipulators can drain your energy and rob you of much more than you could ever gain by staying with them. Before you go, take a moment. Thank yourself for being here, for listening, for showing up today. You don't have to have everything figured out. Just keep taking small steps. I'll see you in the next story.